Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have y and first derivative of y. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that number 2 next to y. This is about integrating factor. And we have e to the power of 2s. That means we multiply both sides by e to the power of 2s. This one we simplify. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can apply about the product rule of the derivative. So, first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So, this one, that is about first derivative of a. This one, that is about b. This one, that is about first derivative of b. This one, that is about 8. The integration of this one, we have y equals to a b. So, the integration of that one, we have ye to the power of 2s. This one, we have s to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.